Welcome back to WealthWise. I've got a question for you. If you lost your job today, how many ways would money still flow into your life tomorrow? Millionaires have 7 income streams on average. Today, I'll show you exactly what those are and how you can start building them today, even with a 9 to 5. One income is fragile, one skill is risky, one job temporary. But multiple income streams cushion you against economic shocks, accelerate your wealth building, and free you from relying on any one employer, government, or client. In 2025, financial security isn't about how much you make, it's about how diversified your income is. Let's break down each stream with quick starter tips so you can take action today. First up, earned income. This is what most people rely on. Salary, wages, commissions. Want to boost this? Maximize it through upskilling, switching industries, or side consulting. Second, profit income. That's income from a business you own, online or physical. Start with freelancing, drop shipping, selling digital products, or launching a local service. Third, rental income. Money from real estate. Think residential, commercial, or even Airbnb. Not ready to buy property. Rent out a spare room or co-invest via REITs or real estate crowdfunding. Fourth, dividend income. Earnings from owning stocks that pay you regularly. Start with fractional shares on apps like Robinhood or M1. Look for those dividend aristocrats. Fifth, interest income. That's money from lending, bonds, high-yield savings, or peer-to-peer lending. Move excess cash into 4 to 5% high-yield accounts or short-term treasury bills. Sixth, capital gains. Profit from buying low and selling high. Stocks, crypto, real estate, you name it. Learn value investing or index ETFs. Invest regularly, sell rarely. Seventh, royalties and licensing. That's income from books, music, software, courses, even photos. Got expertise? Monetize it. Make an ebook, launch a Udemy class, or sell templates on Etsy. Now, how do you build these without burning out? Don't try launching 7 streams at once. Stabilize your main income first, then layer on 1 or 2 new streams per year. Reinvest your early profits to accelerate new income lines. Automate wherever possible and focus on scalable streams. Think digital products, investing, rentals, royalties. Here's your WealthWise action plan for this week. 1. Map your current income streams. Even the small ones count. 2. Pick one new income stream to start. 3. Take a tiny first step. Set up an account, make a draft, post an offer. Over 2 to 5 years, this can literally replace your job. Millionaires don't wait for one paycheck. They build money systems. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to get rich. Comment below with the stream you're building first. Download our free income stream tracker below. And hit subscribe for weekly wealth strategies from WealthWise. Your future self will thank you.